Today, we're diving into something incredibly exciting and useful for anyone who loves exploring the web or needs to gather information efficiently. We're talking about the WebPilot plugin, a powerful tool that can transform the way you interact with the internet. First things first, what is WebPilot? WebPilot is an innovative plugin designed to help to extract and interact with web content more effectively. Whether you're researching, looking for specific information, or just exploring the web, WebPilot offers a set of features that can make your life much easier. Let's talk about some of the key features of WebPilot. Interact with web content in various ways, including rewriting, translating, and more. And that's just the beginning. WebPilot is designed to be user-friendly, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical background. It's really simple. Navigate to the settings by selecting your name in the bottom left, then choose Settings. Inside the Settings menu, if plugins have been rolled out to you, there should be a Beta Features section which you can select and then enable plugins. With plugins enabled, locate and click on the Plugins option within the ChatGPT interface. Navigate to Plugin Store. This action will take you to the OpenAI Plugin Store, where you can browse or search for WebPilot plugins. To add the plugin to your ChatGPT, click on the Install or Add button. Let's say you're interested in learning about artificial intelligence, but you're pressed for time and can't read through the entire Wikipedia article. Here's how WebPilot can help. Summarize the key points about artificial intelligence from this article https://en.wikipedia.org/wiki/artificial_intelligence . After you hit enter, wait a moment for WebPilot to process your request. In no time, it will provide you with a concise summary of the article's key points, allowing you to quickly grasp the essentials of artificial intelligence without having to read through the entire piece. In general, the plugins are only for paid OpenAI account. Let's say you're creating content on the latest happenings at the Tech Innovate 2024 conference. Instead of scouring the web for updates, WebPilot does the heavy lifting. It can pull in the latest announcements, key highlights, and even attendee experiences, providing you with fresh content to share with your followers. Using WebPilot is straightforward. You simply make a request related to the information you're after, and WebPilot navigates the web to bring you answers. For example, if you're looking for the latest updates on the Tech Innovate 2024 conference, you'd ask WebPilot to fetch this information, and it delivers a concise summary directly from the event's official pages and reputable news sources. The WebPilot plugin can be used to gather information from the web, including book reviews. It can fetch summaries, critiques, and user opinions from various online sources like literary blogs, online bookstores, e.g., Amazon, Goodreads, and review sites. This capability allows you to compile a comprehensive overview of a book's reception, themes, and critical analysis without manually searching through each site. Ever wonder how to stay ahead of the curve with the latest viral trends and content? ChatGPT's WebPilot is your digital scout, combing the internet to bring you what's hot and happening. Today, we'll show you how to use WebPilot to discover trending topics and viral content by entering catching the viral wave, trend spotting. ChatGPT doesn't have real-time access to internet to browse the web for the latest information. As of my last update, that cutoff date is April 2023. However, when enabled WebPilot plugin, as in this environment, I can perform web searches to get latest tech news and all other information available on the internet. This capability allows me to fetch recent news, current events, and up-to-date information on various topics by querying the web in real time. That's a wrap on our introduction to the WebPilot plugin. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're as excited as I am to start using WebPilot. Don't forget to like AI Joyful Discoveries, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. If you have any questions or experiences with WebPilot you'd like to share, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.